I've come again to our southern African garden to look at another member of the Proteaceae family. So not Proteas this time, but I've come to see another relative that also grows in southern Africa, and these are called Leucospermum. So this is Leucospermum Caudifolium, and the cultivar name is Carnival Yellow. So these are plants that come from the southern tip of South Africa. So they're associated with the Cape provinces. There's over 40 different species, and they're commonly known as pincushions. And that's because the inflorescence that forms near the end of the branches is made up of a number of flowers. And those flowers present their pollen on an elongated style and stigma, and that gives this overall rounded effect of a pincushion. These plants have a wonderful association with a particular type of ant. So these are Anoplolepis ants. What happens is indicated in a way by the genus name. So Leucospermum means white seed. And so these have seeds that have a white coating on them. It's called a leucosome, and that white coating is full of proteins and lipids, and it also has a smell that mimics the pheromones of these ants. So the ants collect the seeds and they take them underground, where they feed on that protein-rich white substance that coats the seeds. They feed it to their young as well. But the seeds are too hard and big for the ants to consume the whole seed, which means that the seeds are buried underground, which is really important survival mechanism for these plants where they grow on those fynbos type communities, because they're plant communities that are regularly affected by fire, which could burn down all of the above ground parts of the plant. But the seeds are protected under the ground. They've got a really good buffer of the soil that protect them from the radiant heat of the fire. So after the fire, they're able to germinate. In some species, that germination is aided by chemicals in the smoke, and the plant's able to regenerate and grow again. They're really popular in horticulture, and it's not hard to see why. Amongst all of these varieties and hybrids that have been formed from Leucospermums, we've got ones with red, with orange, and with yellow flowers. They're hardy, they tolerate drought, and they form very nice small mounded shrubs that at this time of the year are covered in these pincushion flowers. This is a lower growing hybrid between two species called Mardi Gras ribbons. And the thing about these flowers is they attract both sunbirds and sugarbirds in their native southern Africa.